We all know the basics, but have you ever wondered about the real journey? The incredible, precise adventure from a single encounter to a new human life. It's one of nature's greatest miracles. So, let's break it down, step by step, and uncover how it all really works. It all starts with our two key players, the sperm and the egg. During intimacy, millions of sperm are deposited into the vagina. Their one and only mission: to find the single egg. This egg is released from an ovary each month in a process called ovulation. The sperm's job is to travel, while the egg's job is simply to wait for the one. Now, this isn't just a casual swim, it's an epic race with enormous hurdles. First, the vaginal environment is acidic, which is a major challenge for many sperm. Then, they must navigate through the cervix, which acts like a narrow gate. After that, they enter the uterus and face a crucial choice, left or right. There are two fallopian tubes, but only one holds the precious egg. A wrong turn means the journey is over. Out of the original millions, only a few hundred of the strongest, healthiest sperm will ever make it this far. As the few remaining champions approach the egg, they face their final test. To win, a sperm must penetrate the egg's thick outer shell, called the zona pellucida. The very instant one succeeds and fuses with the egg's membrane, a magical thing happens. The egg instantly creates an impenetrable shield, locking out all other sperm. This incredible moment is fertilization, the fusion of genetic material that sparks the creation of a new, unique human life, now called a zygote. But the journey isn't over yet. The newly fertilized egg, now dividing into more and more cells, begins a several-day trip down the fallopian tube toward the uterus. Once it arrives, it has to do something crucial: burrow into the soft, nutrient-rich uterine lining. This process is called implantation, and it's the true beginning of pregnancy. It's like finding the perfect, safe home to grow. So, how does the body know it's pregnant? After implanting, the new embryo starts releasing a special hormone called HCG. This is the official announcement that tells the body, we're pregnant. It stops the monthly cycle and is the very same hormone that a home pregnancy test detects in urine to give you that positive result. This is also when early signs like a missed period, fatigue, or tender breasts might start to appear. So, to quickly recap, it takes one egg, one winning sperm out of millions, a successful fertilization, and a secure implantation in the uterus. It's a truly complex and difficult journey, which is why it doesn't always happen on the first try. Understanding this incredible process empowers you on your own health journey. Was this helpful? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And for more clear, visual health guides just like this one, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.